Hi guys, let's finish the problem 648 replace words. Okay, so what this question is saying, let me just give you a brief introduction. Just copy this and yeah, paste this. Suppose, and yeah, I have given a dictionary in which I have some words. Okay, and there is some sentence. Now what I have to do is basically, if suppose I have this kettle word, so I have to find any word that start with same letters but smaller than this, like CATTLE. And in my dictionary, suppose I have CAT, CATS, and CATT. Okay, suppose. So I have to. Okay, so suppose and this is my words in sentence, and these are some words in my dictionary. So if I choose this letter, can I replace kettle with this? No, because there are three words that are matching, but S is not there. So I cannot choose this letter. Right? Now, it turns to this word CATT. CATT. Yes, I can replace this word to this. Okay. And suppose if I'm here CAT, I can also replace this with whole this. Now I have to choose. Should I choose this option or this option? So in this, they are saying we have to just show the shortest length. So I have to choose this word. Okay, understand the concept. Okay. Now, thing is, suppose in my dictionary there is two words, cat and cat. Okay. Now, how will I optimally check? Should I choose this one or this one? The basic approach is, suppose I am here, I choose the word THE, and I will check each and every word is TH. If TH or any word that is starting with this, let's suppose T, can I use T in this position? So this is a really big cut time complexity. Okay, which I don't want. So there is a data structure called trie. Okay, what this trie do is, suppose there is a root. Okay, this is a root. Now I have cat word, so it will make like this CATT. Okay, now I have pet, so it will create a BAT. Now I have and in this is a whole word, so in this it will store true. Okay, at the end. Okay, it means that this is a word, whole word. So if I iterate like this, and if I see any true, it means from the starting to the end there is a word. Now, I suppose I have in my dictionary CATT. So what it will do is make another, and it will create a T, and it will also show true. Okay, like this. Now, if I have something like battle, BATTLE, double T L, and in the end we go like, and this will make this true. Okay, so these are the nodes. Okay, and in this, if at any node I see true, means from the starting to the end I have a word. So if I search for cattle, okay, so I would go like CAT. The moment I reach T and I saw that it is true, I will return the length and I will cut the rest of the part and put CAT like this. Okay, now suppose this is battle, BATTL battle. So I go like BAT. The moment I see 3, moment I see the true, I return the length, how much I iterate, and from the battle, I choose the first 3 letters and rest I would move back. Okay, so this is the concept. So let me just tell you how to create a trie, first of all. Okay, for that I need a trie. Okay, alright, cell, and I need a var. And this it will store some portion like well, self dot children and self dot is. Now, what this node is basically doing. Okay, let me just take a screenshot. Page this up. Okay, what is not right? Okay, just take this as an example. In this, it will store which character I'm in. So node C. The C will be stored here. Okay, now if I have something like uh, cow. Okay, so what this cow will do is it will go like this: COW and true. Okay, so it is this is a hash map. In a hash map, there is 2 letters O and A, and each have a tri-node data structure. Okay, so this is a hash map. Okay, hope you understand the concept why I'm using the hash map. Okay, the further correct. Right. This is this a word or not? Basically true or false. In starting it will be false. The moment I will turn it to true. Okay, so this is my node. Okay, now let's make a try data structure. Now this I will go for root, and it will be okay. So I initialize this as none. Okay, this is my node which is initialized as none. And how to add something? And if I have a string like s, so it would be like I'm copying the node first before the root. Okay, then what I will do is for I and s, iterating over the s. Okay, now this is a hash map. Okay, this pointer is stored in hash map. Okay, so what I will check is if C is present in the node in the hash map of this. So if I in node dot children, if this is available, I will do is node equals to node dot children I. Okay, I move to the C part now. Okay, suppose if I'm starting from the if I'm C now, I have to append cow. So what I will do is node dot children equals to try node, and it will be I. Okay, simple thing. And in the end, I have to make the word true. It will what basically do is I add in all the things And in the end, the node would indicate to this position. And now I have to make this as true. Okay, so this is how I added all my strings. So now, how to search for the derivatives. Okay, now the search derivatives. Okay, search dot s n equals with that of s and node equals to search. Okay, now for I in range. Okay. There could be condition like the the T is not available in my trie. I have only C or B. So if I not in node dot children, I just return 0. Okay. Or if node dot suppose I am moving and in the and then I have to suppose no. I have to move the partition. Node equals to node dot children I. Okay. Now I move to this position, and the end I'm at T position. And if I got something like node dot is word equals to true and return I. The length. The length would be I plus 1. And if I didn't get anything, then I have to return. Okay. Okay. Okay, I have to use like this. I don't have to check the index. Yeah, perfect. So this is how I created the whole trie structure, a trie node, and trie structure. Now let's uh, add all the words of dictionary in the trie. Okay, so trie equals to trie. I will initialize it. Okay, for I in trie dot append I. Okay, I append all the values. Now let iterate for the sentence. Okay, I create a variable. I have to, what I have to do is make this as an array. I am splitting this with the space as I don't want to iterate a whole code. So I am just adding splitting with the space. Okay. Now for I in sentence. Okay. Now let's find the length. Smallest length. So it would be no. And what I will do is try dot search derivative. What I need is if length equals to 0. If I didn't find anything, like if there is no word which start with anything in the I, so I will just print I and get the space. Else what I will do is with this place. Okay, I'm cutting the taking the sub string from the starting to the number of length I need. But the thing is, in the rest, there is an extra space if I'm adding, so I have to make it like this. It takes none. Okay, you don't do not have anything. So I was getting a wrong answer. I oh, I'm not moving. Let's see. Yeah, it's been accepted. And yeah, it's a little long video, but hope you understand the concept of trie, how the trie works, and how we are searching for the derivatives and how we are replacing it. And if you do this, give it a like, subscribe, and tempo it is really good. Okay, see ya.